Episode 4, how to dice and slice an onion. There's a lot of people chopping onions out there. Some of them do it the wrong way. How do you do it properly? How do you hold your fingers? Let's get down to it. This is the top, this is the root. Generally, when you are going to dice an onion, you want to take off the top, but you want to leave the root. The root is going to hold the onion together and stabilize it while you are trying to dice it. Now you might ask, how do I get perfectly like square-ish pieces out of something that's round? It's not that hard. Basically, it's 3 steps. Let me show you. To dice your onion, start by removing the top, standing the onion up on its cut end, slicing down through the root, and removing the outer layer of paper, and sometimes the first layer of onion, depending on its quality. Take your knife and slice down vertically through the onion all the way to the bottom. Turn your onion 90 degrees and make 3 horizontal slits through the onion, but do not go all the way through the root. Then take your knife vertically again and go straight down, creating small, similar sized pieces. For a julienne, remove the root, turn your onion and begin slicing vertically all the way through the onion. Once you get halfway, flip your onion onto its side and finish the process. As you can see, we are left with evenly sliced thin pieces of onion. This particular cut is great for making caramelized onions, making jam, all kinds of things. If you don't want them to cook quite as quickly, you can make them into longer pieces. And now that you have acquired all the skills necessary for your onion prep, you are set to rock and roll for Thanksgiving and Christmas. See you tomorrow.